In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Rocket Money account if you've decided that it's time to say goodbye to Rocket Money. Whether you're no longer using the service or have found an alternative, it's important to properly delete your account to ensure your data isn't left behind. Let's walk through this process together to make it as seamless as possible. First, you'll need to navigate to Rocket Money's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Rocket Money URL to bring you directly to their online platform. Once on the home page, what you'll want to do next is locate the Sign In button, typically found at the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. After selecting Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Go ahead and input your email and password associated with your Rocket Money account. This will take you to your personal dashboard, where you will find all the tools and settings you've set up with Rocket Money. Once you've reached the dashboard, it's time to navigate to the settings. Look around the top or side of the page for the gear icon or a tab labeled Settings, and click on it. This is where you'll be able to manage various account configurations. Now that you're in the settings, the next step is to go into your profile. Click on Profile, usually found on the left-hand side of the settings menu. This section houses your personal information and account preferences. Scroll down until you see the option to delete Rocket Money account. This might be located toward the bottom of your profile settings, so take your time scrolling through the list until you spot it. It's crucial to ensure that you are ready to permanently delete the account, because once this step is completed, your data cannot be retrieved. When you're sure, click on Delete Rocket Money Account. You will likely be prompted with a confirmation message or a series of questions to confirm your decision. Most services want to make sure that you're certain you want to leave before they finalize the deletion. Follow any on-screen instructions to proceed. It's always a good idea to take a moment and read through the prompts, ensuring you understand what will happen once the account is deleted. By following these steps, your Rocket Money account should be successfully deleted, along with any associated data. Make sure to check your email for a confirmation message from Rocket Money, which typically states that your account has been deactivated. And that's it. You've now completed the process of deleting your Rocket Money account. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial. And if you have any other accounts you're looking to manage or delete, be sure to check out our other videos for more easy to follow guides.